America and Corey.
We gotta break up.
Okay, everybody, Jag did it. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. Jag and Blue used the vetoes. Okay, Blue used the veto on herself, obviously. And Jag used the veto. So now who's up on the block? Core America, everybody's favorite awkward, weird couple.
The aspirin.
Be gentle.
They're on the block, and guess what? America is not happy. Not America, the U.S. America, who is in the house, that has all these fans outside the house cheering for her, feeling bad for her, that she's on the block, when she did it to herself by forcing Corey into a showman's. And I know her fans are gonna be like, she didn't force him, they had a serious talk about it. That is not a forced relationship. That girl forced that dude into being in a showman's with her. But that's a whole nother story. She is on the block and she's not happy, and she is flipping the bird to Jag.
Let me know when you want to talk again.
Literally, fuck off.
Perfect.
Grow up.
Now I need to fuck off.
Go fuck off. I should have said something. I was going to.
Nah.
Hey, you should.
No, that's fine. She's upset, so it
I know.
makes sense.
I don't need to egg that on.
She has done what so many of us viewers have wanted to do all season. Tell Jag to F off. And I can't say it on YouTube because I am at risk of demonetization, although I'm not even monetized yet. Hey, everybody, help me get monetized, okay, and watch this video throughout. Okay, so yes, she told Jag to go somewhere and shove it, sit on it and spit on it. Yes, America was mad, and then, she retreated. And of course, who comes to aid? The mamas. The mamas come to her rescue to give her some sympathy, to give her some love and affection.
That was hard right now, but I'm really sorry. I'm gonna give you a hug. You always comforted me when I needed it. I didn't talk or whatever.
Sari is running game because that's what Sari, apparently that is her game. Getting close to people, making them feel comfortable.
I found out late last night, but I thought they were lying to me because I couldn't see them putting you and Corey up.
And, telling them, I had no idea, America. I had no idea. They said they were going to do it. They all knew. But I've been flip-flammed so much, I didn't know, America.
So I wasn't sure who was lying, if they were serious.
Thank you.
Everybody knew. Everybody.
But girl, it's going to be okay. You've always comforted me, America. Oh, yeah. I got your back. Like chiropractic, America.
So.
I figured.
But I wasn't sure because I've been flim-flam before and tricked before to say that I'm going to do this for you, and then it wasn't done.
Yeah, that's what Sari does. Sari is, she seems like she's your best friend until she wins. Or on Survivor, she didn't win until she almost wins. On Traitors, she won.
So, but I'm really, really sorry. I'm really sorry to see you so upset. I didn't want to see you hurt, honestly.
No, I know. This isn't your fault. You didn't do any of it.
No. Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right. I'm around. Okay?
Thank you.
And here's a funny little tidbit. So Corey told Sari, I'm going to call your son. And Sari was like, you mean sons? I'm going to call your son. And the funny thing is, Corey thinks he's so smart, but he has not realized that Jared was Sari's son, which is obvious because you should know that, Corey, since your brother played Survivor.
Cocky asshole, dumb bastard. He's so smart and so stupid at the same time.
So smart and so stupid.
Since you got your degree and you know every fucking thing.
I think if he, the way he had a conversation with me, other than the whole Bowie bullshit, other than the whole Matt's coming or Jack's gonna come after you bullshit.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now.
Him being listen, you keep me in, I'll go after them too, and it's gonna be us two.
He said the same thing to me.
Anyhow, So, actually, speaking of the mamas comforting America, Felicia had a little bit to say to America. She was like, America, you just can't go telling people to F off, okay?
God bless America.
I know. Feel what you're going to feel. Go to sleep and be better. That's what I do. Like when, we remember, Felicia, you kind of went off about, being put up on the block as a pawn.
I ain't nobody's damn pawn.
And luckily you came off the block, because had you not come off the block, what would today be looking like to you, Felicia? But
Looking at me, I break your face.
I'm so happy Felicia's off the block, and finally a big move has been made in the house. And the funny thing is, Blue was singing like a songbird to Corey, basically telling everything that America had said to her.
Like, do you really think your path forward is with Matt and Jag? And I was like,
She was that direct?
yeah.
Which, okay, Blue is just trying to, further her game in the house, and, I don't know.
She essentially proposed the final two, and you probably know, like, her and I proposed the final two with her.
Blue's playing, I guess, a decent game right now. She really is. She is getting to a place where she needs to be in the house. So, yeah. Kudos to Blue, but I still don't like Blue. I really don't like anybody in the house but Felicia, because Felicia's funny. That's it. Felicia is funny, and that's what I'm sticking to. It's not strategy. It's not gameplay. It's just that Felicia is funny and entertaining.
I keep it real.
That's who I'm rooting for. The funny and the entertaining one. I'm not rooting for the strategic Corey. No, he's leaving, hopefully. If all goes as planned, he's leaving. If all is smart, he will be leaving out the door Thursday. And America will be there to fend for herself, to really show up and play. Because Corey has been a shield for her. Because all she's been doing is talking this talk, acting big bad in the diary room, acting like she just so tough. She gonna do this. She said this to Felicia, like, knucking if you bucking to an older lady in the house. Let's see what you gonna do now, America.
You ain't bad, you ain't nothing.
You can wham all you want, but what is your game really made of once Corey walks out these doors? Okay, I don't really have much to say. I'm just kind of happy that America and Corey are finally on the block, and finally a decision was made. But let's not forget that Jag wasted the secret HOH, and now he has all this blood on his hands, when he had a secret that he could have just, walked away clean. Oops, something fell. But, Jag is a wuss, and America told him what we all wanted to say all season long. F off, Jag. F off. All right, drop it to the comments and like and subscribe.